I want to introduce my partner, she's Sergeant Maria Vanessa.
Okay, so a bit about myself, perhaps after a long and wonderful introduction from him. Well, I'm nobody compared to him, to be honest. So my name is Sergeant Maria. Saya dengan sebenarnya Maria, and I'm currently serving as a presenter at the Indonesian Navy Public Affairs Service. So if you're from Jakarta and you visit our naval headquarters, so when you see the Videotron in front of them and you see the face like this, that means that is me. So yeah, for the filler of some of our videos in the IMSS, well, the voice that you listen to is also my voice. So I work at the public affairs, so we are very closely related with media, TV, radio, and every social media that the Indonesian Navy have. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, that now that you have already known us, we would also like to know more of the performers. However, we are still going to give some time for the Vietnamese performance because we would like to, well, again, unfortunately, announce that there is one vehicle still parking at quite near to the main tent. Jadi kami sampaikan, sangat disayangkan masih ada kendaraan yang parkir liar di sekitar tenda utama. Kendaraannya yang mana ya, Lenan Zakia?
Nah, kendaraannya ini adalah